Hey guys, this is the final result of the bikini, and I also did the head wrap, and I don't have on any makeup. So this is the result of the bikini, and I'm also not going to turn around. So this is what it looked like. I actually got something on my phone. So this is the head wrap, guys. And you see how the bikini actually has, when you put the elastic around, it looks a lot better. So you can make it as wide as you want it or as loose um, as you want it. But this is the head wrap that goes around your head. So this is the final result, guys. And it turned out pretty cute. And I'm not going to turn around, guys, and show you guys the back, but this is what the bikini, and this is with the head wrap. I don't have on any makeup and my dark circles is showing, so this is what the bikini turned out to be. I know a lot of times y'all like to see it live on a person, so this is the fur bikini, the final results of what it looks like on a person. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, God bless. Bye bye.